Hello friends, hope you're well, and today I have unique ideas of Easter dining table decors. It's a wonderful time to gather with friends and family to celebrate the holiday and the arrival of spring. One of the best ways to create a festive atmosphere is to decorate the dining table with Easter themed decor. So here are some creative and easy Easter dining table decor ideas. Easter egg centerpiece. Creating a stunning centerpiece by filling a large glass vase with colorful Easter eggs. You can use real eggs or plastic ones. Add some fresh flowers or greenery around the base of the vase for an extra pop of color. Floral wreath place setting. Make your guest feel special by creating individual floral wreaths to use as place settings. Start with a plain grape vine wreath and add fresh or silk flowers in pastel shades. Tie a ribbon around the wreath and add a small name card. Then bunny napkin holders. Fold your napkins into bunny shapes and add small pom-poms for tails. You can use a variety of napkin colors to create a colorful and fun looking. A spring inspired table runner. Create a simple yet elegant table runner by using a piece of pastel colored fabric or a strip of bubble wrap. Add fresh flowers or greenery around the edges of for a touch of spring. Then Easter bunny candles. Use small bunny shaped candles to create a whimsical atmosphere on the dining table. You can also use candle holders in pastel colors to coordinate with the rest of your decor. Then there are Easter cups. Used egg cups to hold small flowers arrangements or to serve hard boiled eggs as an appetizer. You can also use them to hold small candles and chocolates. Then Easter basket centerpiece. Create a centerpiece using a wicker Easter basket filled with the colorful eggs, flowers, and greenery. You can add small stuffed animals or other Easter themed decoration to complete the look. So, decorating the dining table for Easter is a fun and creative way to add some festive flair to your holiday celebration. With these simple decors, you can create a beautiful and welcoming atmosphere that your guests will love. If you like our channel or if you like our videos, subscribe our channel and hit the like button